In order to install the plugin, you must first download it from your customer account and save it. To do this, click on Account. Once in the customer account, click on the tab Downloads. Then, click on the Download button. Now a new window will open where you can save the plugin locally. Click on OK. Now go directly to the WordPress backend and to the menu item Plugins. Click here on Add New. In the menu Add New, you'll find the button Upload Plugin in the upper area. Click here once. Now a new section will open where you can upload the previously saved plugin. Click on the button Browse. A new window will open. Here you have to select the zip file saved at the beginning from the customer account. Then click on the button Open. In the WordPress backend, you'll now see your selected file. Click on the button Install Now. The plugin is then installed. On the following page, you can see if the plugin has been installed successfully. If yes, click on the button Activate Plugin. After successful activation, you'll see the plugin in the WordPress sidebar. Go to the menu item Amazon Affiliate and click on Dashboard. To use the plugin right away, click on the Licensing tab. Here, you need your license key. You can also find this in your customer account under Licenses. Copy the license key from the corresponding field and go back to your WordPress backend. Insert your license key in the provided field and click on the Activate License button. If the activation was successful, you'll be shown the status License Valid below.